again. Have you ever had this happen where you visit a website and you continually get an HTTP error 431? I have this problem with GoDaddy over and over again. I've called them. I've looked it up, tried to figure out how to make this HTTP error 431 stop happening so I can work on my website and my clients' websites. To no avail. I have not been able to find the answer to this issue. Well, today I think I found the answer, and I have not tried it yet because I wanted to take you with me. What I did first was I actually Googled once again HTTP 431. When I type in HTTP error 431, what I come up with is a definition that says the HTTP 431 request header fields too large response status code indicates that the server is unwilling to process the request because its header fields are too large. Blah, blah, blah. I scrolled down the page to look to see what other options were available. I found this WordPress.org forum where there were several people over the last few months asking the same question. How do you do it? No one had the answer. So I went back over here, scrolled down again, found this article by Ian Paul, a contributor at PC World. It's called When Browser Cookies Go Bad, How to Avoid Bad Header Problems on Favorite Websites. So I proceed to scroll down. I'm a little skeptical because I don't know if you noticed, but this article is from 2016 and I am recording this in 2020. So I'm scroll down, go down to Chrome, and I'm going to follow these instructions that Ian gave me. Now, when I went to follow the instructions, what I noticed was some of the items did not appear as he described, of course, again, because it's 2020. So let's go ahead and we are going to try to solve this ourselves. So the first thing Ian said was to go to Chrome settings. The next thing that Ian said to do was to type in the search bar what the page that you're having problems with. So I did GoDaddy.com, no results. But what I think I figured out, if you look over on the left, you will see what is called privacy and security, which I believe the cookies will be. Once we're on the privacy and security page, we will see three options: clear browsing data, site settings, and more. Now I know it's not clear browsing data because I have cleared out my history and cookies and cache and all of that, and it still brings me to that HTTP error page in GoDaddy. So I'm going to select site settings. And let's look at cookies and site data. And I see a search here, and I will type GoDaddy.com. Hit enter, and that didn't work. So let's look and see what our other options are. Allow sites to save cookies, clear cookies, block data. See all cookies and data. Let's try this one. So let's hit the arrow on see all cookies and data. Now this brings you to all cookies and site data section on the settings of Google Chrome. I'm going to go ahead and type in GoDaddy, and yep, there's a bunch of stuff popping up. And what I will do is, you can actually, what Ian suggested is that you click on what he had in X. We have a trash can. So I can go ahead and click on the trash cans to the right of every one of these, but it also has an option where it says remove all shown. So I'm going to go ahead and click on remove all shown, and you will get a box that says clear site data. This will delete any data stored on your device for all the sites shown. Do you want to continue? I'm going to click clear all. See what happens. So it cleared all the GoDaddy cookies. The other cookies are still there. Then I'm going to go back to GoDaddy and I'm going to try to log into my Manage WordPress again. So I click on Manage. Come on, GoDaddy, you can do it. No HTTP 431. I want to try one more thing just to be sure. If I click on Edit Site, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is how you get rid of the HTTP error 431 in 2020. I am so excited because what I had been doing was using an incognito Chrome page that allowed me to work on the site. Thanks for hanging in with me. This is Ramona from Social Media How To's with Ramona. I hope you are as excited as I am. If you've been having this error, I know it could have you pulling out your hair. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. If you want to schedule a consultation, just visit my website, which is romonafoster.com. And if you'd like to receive notifications every time I post a new video, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Also, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.